Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to recall few division strategies which we've already learned. Okay, so a quick revision. So for that, I'm going to write a sum over here. Okay, that is 10. The sign says divide. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to. And now the first strategy is the cut and put strategy. Okay, so we are going to look at the bigger number, which is the dividend, and we are going to draw those many circles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So I've drawn 10 circles over here, and my divisor tells me how many baskets to draw. So I'm going to draw 2 baskets. Okay, and now as the name suggests, cut and put, I'm actually going to cut one circle and put it into one basket, then again cut one circle, put into one basket, and I'm going to continue this till I have done all my circles. Okay, and I have to be careful that you will not repeat. So I'm not going to cut this again and put it in this basket. I have to go to the next basket. Okay, now after this we need to see that each of the baskets have same number of circles, right? So we are going to count them. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5. So it has 5 circles. Let's count this as well. 1 2 3 4 5. This also has 5 circles. That means it's equal, and that's absolutely correct. So my answer over here is 5. Now we are going to see one more strategy, which is the number line strategy. Okay, now in this I'm going to draw a number line. Since I don't have a number line over here, I'm going to draw one. If you have one, you can use that. So for my number line, I need at least 10. So my number line should stop at 10. It's okay if I don't draw more than that. Okay, so this is my number line, and always remember that the number line starts from the number 0. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I'm going to stop at 10. And my divisor is 2, which tells me how many jumps, how many mountains to skip. So what I have to do is I have to circle the number 10. Okay, because my dividend is that. My number 2 tells me how many mountains to skip. So I'm going to skip one mountain and the next, and then I'm going to circle the next number, because I have to stop after jumping 2 mountains, and then again I'm going to jump backwards. I'm going to circle the next number because I've already skipped 2 mountains, right? I'm going to circle this again. I'm going to skip 2, going to circle this, and I keep on doing this till I reach the number 0. Okay, now I've reached my number zeros. Now can you see the numbers which you have circled? Now you are going to make big mountains from those. That means I'm going to connect this, my first mountain, my second mountain, my third mountain, fourth and fifth. So 1 2 3 4 5, and this is my answer. Okay, now one more strategy, which is the skip counting strategy. Okay, if you're really good at it, you can do this. So the skip counting strategy is using your fingers. Okay, so you can use your fingers for this strategy. It is also known as a skip counting strategy. Now what I do in this strategy is that I skip count in this. So I'm going to look at my divisor, and I'm going to skip count in 2s. Now when I'm skip counting in 2s, I have to look at this number. Okay, so this is 10. So I'm going to skip count in 2s and stop till 10. Okay, so I'm going to skip count from in 2s. Okay, so let's start. 2 4 6 8 10. How many fingers do I have here? 1 2 3 4 5, and absolutely that's my answer. So we have seen one sum, and we've seen all 3 different strategies, right? The cut put one, the number line, and the skip counting. So you can choose your favorite one, and whichever you are comfortable with, you can use that while calculating your sums. And the last but not the least is the mentally. So you can calculate mentally. So some of us might already know that half of 10 is 5. 2 means that it is half, right? So half of 10 is 5. You can do this mentally as well. So as per the sum, you can select your favorite strategy and solve it. Okay, so in the next session we are going to see few sums and I'm going to solve them. So let's meet next.